Poem The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound by Sally Wolf. Good morning, children. We will discuss today the question answers, word meanings, opposites, and rhyming words of the poem The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound. Let's discuss the word meanings. Number 1, robin. Robin is a small brown bird with a red chest. Number 2, twigs. Twigs are small, thin branches of a tree. Number 3, ledge. A ledge is a narrow surface on the side of a wall or window. Next, rhyming words. Number 1, sound. The word sound rhymes with around. Number 2, seas. Seas rhymes with trees. Number 3, rest. The word rest rhymes with nest. Then we come to the opposites. Number 1, laughing. The opposite of laughing is crying. Number 2, stop. Opposite of stop is start. Number 3, strong. The opposite of strong is weak. Number 4, high. Opposite of high is low. And the last one, number 5, safe. The opposite of safe is unsafe. Now we come to the question answers related to the poem. Answer these questions. Number 1, what makes the child stop and look around? The answer is the laughing sound made by the robin makes the child stop and look around. Second question, what does the child see? Answer, the child sees fresh leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch, and safe dry ledge. Then we come to question number 3. Does the robin make the child happy? Give reasons. The answer is yes. The robin makes the child happy because the child stops to enjoy the nature and feels happy. So children, you will do this work very neatly in your English 2 copy.